girls. We're starting with these girls. The Bright Lights flock. Hey, the Bright Lights, I like to call them. That's... Hey! Strawberry. Mango, get out of the way. Are you camera hog? Yeah, you camera hog, huh? Come here. Come. Mango, Strawberry, you getting a drink? This way's better. Yeah. Is that good? Yeah, it's fresh water. Mango. Alright, you guys have food. Yeah, they're good on food. You girls can come out when you want. Alright, everyone. Hey, Pearl, Midnight, Poppy, Lily. Oh, Lily was actually egg-bound. I forgot to post a series about it, but she's better now. I had to soak her in Epsom salt. So, in like a tub or box. Plastic box, and like for 20 minutes. Yeah. Multiple days. 2 days in a row. But now she's looking much better. I'm keeping my eye on her. Because I can't lose Lily. She's a good girl. Pearl, you looking for edibles? Yeah. Oh, I'm feeding them over here now. Here, let me zoom out. Oop, there we go. I left a patch of long grass. Hey, Jeremy. And I put the food in here. Because usually when they spill food, it doesn't get eaten. And in here, it'll get eaten by the bugs and stuff, so. But the bugs won't actually go in the food because it's a plastic container. Lemon, is it good? Lemon, why are you on the brick? Come on. You broody. You broody mama. Yeah. Come on, girls. Jeremy. What's that sound you make, sir? What you looking at? Bub. Who's a good Roo? James, you gotta find a new home soon. I know. You've stayed longer than expected. And that's not good. I would keep him, but I just can't. Because of policies, we'll say. Yeah, everyone having a good day today.